guys, so today's video is going to be a special one. I have never done a video like this before, but I get so many questions on Instagram, on Snapchat, on what my Starbucks drinks are, and I'm really particular about them, so I'm probably really annoying when I'm ordering them early in the morning if I'm in the drive-thru, but most times I just order through the mobile app because it's a lot faster and I can just sit and, you know, adjust the recipe through the app. So this video is not sponsored, and I know it's gonna sound like it is, but it's not, I promise. I wish they would, because I spend, I think, like $25 a week on Starbucks alone. If you guys can hear that little crunchy noise, it's Jude in the back. He's trying to open here. Want me to open it? He's trying to open up these little gummies that I got him.
They're impossible!
Now, before I show you guys my actual drinks and share the recipes, I should let you know that it's really easy to get really inexpensive drinks from Starbucks, especially if you're trying to add in the milk and the sugar yourself. So if you go in, the cheapest way you can go is black coffee, right? Or black iced coffee. They have a little bar there where you can add vanilla powder, you can add cinnamon, you can add your own milk, because they have, I think they have half and half, low fat, and then skim milk, I believe, that they have on the bar. And then you can just add it in and mix it yourself. So really, really affordable. So you can always go Americano style, which is just shots into water. You can do their hot coffee, their iced coffee, their cold brew, which is typically a coffee that's brewed or seeped in cold water overnight, at least 20 hours. I used to make it at home all the time, so it just depends on the beans that they use or that you use, and it tastes really, really good. So that's an option as well. Okay, so we're gonna go one by one, and my most favorite drink at the moment would have to be this one, which is a matcha green tea. And this one in particular, the way that you would order it would be a grande iced green tea latte with coconut milk, extra ice, and matcha powder. Now they do put 3 scoops of matcha, but I only used 1, and it's perfect. The coconut milk is actually 20 calories less than non-fat milk, and that's the reason why I use it. So if you have like stomach bubbles after, you know, having a coffee with non-fat milk, low-fat milk, what have you, milk period, I would probably try something like coconut milk. If you guys do not like sweet stuff, I would stay away from coconut milk or almond milk because they are sweetened still at Starbucks. The next drink is actually one of my girlfriend, Cristeen here on YouTube. She turned me on to this drink, and I'll get it once in a while when I'm in like a chocolate kind of a mood. This one here is the Starbucks Grande Iced Americano. This one has 3 pumps of skinny mocha sauce. She puts a lot more than that. Since they're skinny, there is like 0 sugar in them as well. And I just get extra ice. So what Americano is pretty much just espresso shots in water. And I absolutely love this drink. It gives me enough energy without really bad, painful stomach ache. So I really like this drink. So again, if you guys like a mocha latte or hot chocolate or anything like that, this one is like perfect for you guys. It's super chocolatey and really yummy. Next up is going to be my keto favorite. So if you guys are on the diet keto, which is going to be a low carb to no carb, no sugar diet, this one here is the Starbucks double shot on ice. So you're gonna have no classic, 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. Now if you guys want more sweetener, you can just add another pump or 2 of the sugar-free, and then also add whipping cream. Now you can ask them to do light, regular, or heavy. I prefer them to do light, and then of course I do extra ice, and this is how it looks. And all they do is just give it a nice shake. I've also switched out the sugar-free vanilla for sugar-free cinnamon dulce, and that's just like a cinnamon sweetness. It's really, really yummy, but I would always go with vanilla, but if I want to switch it up, I'll go with the cinnamon dulce. And then last but not least would have to be the pink drink. This one in particular is super, super popular, and it looks like this. This one here is the Grande Passion Tango iced tea. You're gonna do 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla, coconut milk, extra ice, of course, and no liquid cane sugar. So I know Starbucks can get really expensive, especially if you're gonna make some substitutions and adding pumps of syrup or taking it away and things like that. Anytime that you customize drinks, it's going to get a little bit expensive. So for the most part, they are $3.25 to $3.75, but one of them was $5.10. So I was like, probably only get that one once in a while, and it's actually my favorite drink, go figure. It's probably why, because it's the most expensive one, but there's tons and tons of recipes out there for low cal, low sugar. I'm not a bodybuilder, so I don't do macros or anything crazy like that. I've also checked on Pinterest for tons of Starbucks recipes, but if you guys have one that I didn't mention that you think we should all try as a group, let me know, or let us know in the comments section down below as well. People are trying to fight for my spot, so I better let you guys go. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already joined our family, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye! Give me a thumbs up, bud. Cutie bear.